In this quick video, I'm going to show you guys how you can easily connect your Instagram to your Facebook using the Meta's Account Center. So the first thing you want to do is head over to your Facebook and log into your account. Once you have logged in, just tap on your profile icon at the top right corner and head over to your settings. Once your settings is open, you want to go to your Account Center. On the left side of your screen, you can see Account Center, and here you can add your profile right here. Once you are inside Account Center, you see this profile tabs. Right now, I only have my Facebook connected with my Account Center. So if you want to add accounts, you can just click here, or if you don't have this, just go ahead and click on Accounts here and click on Add Accounts. And it will ask you to enter your username right here. So once you enter your Instagram's username and password, click on Login and continue to log in. And as you can see, to enable connected experience, add these accounts to the same Account Center. So tap on Continue and click on Finish Adding. After this, you can use Instagram and Facebook to log into each other. You don't need to add your password, and you can see here my Instagram is added to my Account Center. And that's how you can add Instagram on your Account Center. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.